Okay, so the background of the project was the concept of film club for visually impaired people, and now we try to see that, to show it to general young people, to young public, that it's possible to film even without eyesight. We tried this at school, and now we had the screening where I think we had a lot of fun just watching the films that were created with one person that didn't see what he or she's doing, but it's possible when we talk about it, when we assist each other and so on. So I think the screening was very good, and it was a very nice experience here to work with young people and to show them how it is to work with visual handicap.
And also it's a story about the potential of art in a way. So what art can do about open our minds.
Yeah, it's open new perspectives, and it has no boundaries. We think that art is limited for just some group of people, but it's for everyone. It just needs the right approach.
Thank you.
Thank you.